LG V20 user here, and today I will be showing you guys how to change your email on your channel here on YouTube. So I've been having a hard time trying to figure out how to change my email address on my channel here, and I may have found a way to do that, and I hope that this video will help you guys out. And if it does, give me a thumbs up and let me know about it in the comment section of this video. I would greatly appreciate it if this video does help you out in any way. So yeah, so it's really easy, guys. So go to anywhere on YouTube that has your channel icon here. So I'm on my videos page here. So you just go to your channel icon right here, click on your settings right here, and obviously that will take you to the settings page, obviously, and you guys will be brought to the screen right here, and you guys will see an option said manager. So you guys want to click on add or remove managers, click it right here, and this will show this is like your Google, this is like your Google Plus page or whatever, and you guys will see an option says manage permissions. You click on that right here, and you guys will be brought to the screen right here, and you guys want to invite new users. You click on the plus button right here, and you guys enter in the email that you guys want to transfer your channel to, and so I'll do that and I'll be right back. And then once you put in your email address, you guys will see a drop down menu, and you guys want to click on manager, guys. Click on manager right here and click on invite, and you guys will get an email to the email that you guys want to transfer your channel to. You click on that, and you guys will see invited invitation there. Click on done, and then go to your email, and I'll be right back. Then you guys will go to the email that you guys will see something like this in your email, and it will say so and so has invited you to manage your main channel, whatever. So yeah, once you guys see this, you click on accept invitation. Click on that. I'll take you back to the manager screen, or else to take you here first, and you'll just say accept, and it'll just accept it there. And then what you guys want to do is you want to go all the way back to settings. I know it's just a pain in the ass. Just go back all the way to settings, and I'll be right back. Then you guys will, once you guys go to settings, you guys will be brought back to this page right here. And what you guys want to do is go back to managers here, click on add or remove manager, and this will show up again. Just go to update, go to manage permissions right here, this blue box. Click on the blue box, and you guys will see your desired email. What's my Gmail right here. Just click on manager, and you guys want to click on primary owner. You click on that right there. You guys will get a little message pop up that's saying that it says add this primary owner. I have the option to add and delete other owners and managers, change account permissions including yours, delete this account completely. So if you guys want to do that, just hit transfer. And it says I must wait 1 day before becoming the primary owner, so you will have to wait 1 day, so be patient on that. So I don't know if you guys will get notified when it is time. So just be patient for that. Just wait like 24 hours and so, and you might get a notification letting you know that you are the primary owner of the channel. So yeah, that's all pretty much it there. Hope that this video does help you guys out, and if it does, give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate it if this video does help you guys out. And so yeah, that's all pretty much it there, guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.